right, it's time to trace. So we're going to pick up our paper template. It could be of a butterfly or a sea turtle or a beetle. And we're going to place it on that pot, take our needle tool, and trace all around the outside of it. Get it any way you want it to be. And then we're going to take that same needle tool and lightly push over the details. Pull off that paper template and you've got something ready to carve. Time to do the background. Make sure that you have in your mind what's in the foreground, what's in the background. Sketch it so it goes behind things and others that they go in front. And that'll really help you when you go to carve, which is coming up soon. Quick tip, go ahead and use these paper cutouts and have them on your pot, moving and interacting with one another. So have some going down, have some going up to the surface, and go ahead and really animate them as they're going around the pot. Don't just plop them on there. take a moment and talk about the strokes that you're going to be making in your carvings. Now, in the background, I've used vertical strokes, short strokes, to show that that's the water. So it's not just the color, it's the strokes that are in the background. It's the language that I'm using to say background, water. Now on some of the strokes you can see here in his shell, they follow the contour, they follow the line of the shell, and here they follow the line of his flipper. And you can see here it follows the contour of his neck. So it really does communicate to the viewer of your artwork what it is. It sort of backs it up. So keep that in mind when you're using the language of your strokes. Why don't you look at the time? It's time to glaze. Let's get it done. right here, I've turned my pot over just so that it's easier for me to paint and reach all of the underside of the pot. It really helps. I'm also using my turntable. It helps me to quickly move that pot around, and sort of both of my hands work together to get that done. So it really helps. Try it. I wanted to show you something on the inside. I put a little something extra. Beautiful tangerine. It just sort of, I don't know, makes it a little extra special. I hope you enjoyed this. I look forward to seeing some of your work. So show me. Put it down below. I want to see it. Bye everyone. Thanks for coming with me.